The book follows the same structure as the series, so each chapter follows the key seasonal parts of the series. It's a very comprehensive survey of both poles, and because we've spent 4 years working on the series, we really thought very, very hard about what are the most important stories to tell people. They can expect fantastic photographs and also some wonderful frame grabs. Because the film has been filmed at such high definition, we can grab frames, unique images that work very, very well in the book to tell stories. I think readers will be surprised by some of the detailed stories which have never ever been told before. I mean, an example is we've just discovered that there are at least 3, possibly 4 different types of killer whales. This is new science. It was actually discovered while we were filming, and we've got the first images of that, and we've got the first detailed stories of that. The other wonderful thing about the book is that there's only so much information that you can get on a TV commentary, and in the book we're able to give a lot more information. So if you've enjoyed the TV series, there's a lot more in the book for you.